Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. Lots of iPhone users are reporting that when they playing status in WhatsApp, then when they playing second status, the sound of previous status is coming, which means two sounds start playing together. The sound is overlapping. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix this issue. Solution 1. Update WhatsApp. Open App Store on your iPhone. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down to find WhatsApp. If update available, download it. Then check if it's working or not. Solution 2. Force restart your iPhone. If you have iPhone 8, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14 series and iPhone SE second and third generation, do the following steps. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. If you have iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, do the following steps. Press and hold the side button and volume down button at the same time until you see the Apple logo. Solution 3. Update your iPhone. To do this, go to Settings app, find and tap on General. Now tap on Software Update. If iOS update is available, download and install it. Solution 4. Delete WhatsApp and reinstall it. Touch and hold the WhatsApp until it jiggles. Tap minus icon. Then tap Delete app. Next, you will get a prompt to whether you will confirm this action or not. Tap Delete to confirm. Then restart your device. Now reinstall the app. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.